Guys, I hope you cut well. These are iconic Kraft paper business card template. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here is PSD format, front of the card and the back of the card. So it's opening. So download this. Just need to click on the link in the description, and you reached here. And here is the download link. You can easily download from here. And here, just wait for it to be open. Yes, here is the front of the card with paperwork. You can customize it, edit the text. Just double click, replace, and write this mobile laptop. And to save this, just Control and S. It will be saved. So on, you can change the country, www link, type your own link, www.bulkgfx.com, and Control S for save, and so on. You can customize it totally. And here is the back of the card. And here you can see diesel. You can just put your own logo here, or just type your own clothing your graphics. I know you can do this. Control S, and here on diesel write your own company name, Bulk GFX. Just give it a professional way. You can customize this size also. I know you can do this from here. Opacity size. Control S for save and close. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. You can download such templates for freely on my website, Bulk GFX. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.